Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from his Automation channel. Today we will discuss about the module controller as part of JMeter series. In case if you are new to this session and new to this channel, do watch my earlier sessions where I have covered a throughput controller, runtime controller, and the random and the interleave controller, and there are many controllers which I have covered. As part of this session, we will see about module controller. So before we get started, we need to understand what is this module controller. So if I take an example of development space where we will have coding, if I take example of Java, so in the Java we have many functions and many utility functions where we will call those functions to reduce our code. So where we can reuse the functions, like example, I need to call a certain function called a plus b. So I need to call the addition function. So wherever I need that addition function, I can call multiple times just by calling with the name of that function. So similar to that, this module controller will behave the similar manner. So to understand better, let's jump into the JMeter and we'll see. Now you can see this is my test plan. Under the test plan I have thread group, and under that I have created some sample pages called samplers, HTTP request samplers. So login, home, and page 1, page 2, page 3. So to see how this gets executed, I will go to view results tree and quickly run it. Now you can see they have executed in order where I think I have given thread group as 2. Let me change it back to 1 1. All right. So if I run, so this will trigger this entire thread group samples. Login, home, page 1, page 2, page 3 got executed. Now, if I assume that every page has a login and every page has home page. So for that, what I can do, I can call or I can use the same, like I can quickly select this both and I can quickly add it multiple times. And I can select and I can put it after request 1 and put it after page 2. So like this I can put it, and I can quickly go to results tree and I will quickly run. So by this way I can achieve my login has done 3 times for the pages 1, 2, 3. So this is looks hard, right? So you don't want to do this kind of programming or you this kind of performance testing. So for that, to get rid of this kind of situation, the module controller is there. So for that, I will go to my thread group and go to right click on my thread group, go to add, go to logic controller. First thing I need to do is a simple controller. So simple controller we have discussed, right? It is just like a container. It will do not do any kind of logics under it. It just hold that number of requests and it will execute. So I will go to simple controller and I will take this home and login into the simple controller. Right now I will remove all this, and here also I have kept. Okay, I will delete all this unused one. Now I will mark this simple controller as disabled because I don't want to execute this controller defaultly, but I need to call this controller via module controller. Again, I will go to my thread group, right click, add, go to logic controller and go to module controller. Now I will pull this to the very top. Right. So you can see here in the module controller, you will not see anything like a timer or a number of iterations. It will try to provide you to find the target element. So module to run. So it is showing us thread plan, test plan, and thread group. Under that thread group, you will find the simple controller. So I will name this controller as reuse function, or name it as function call. Okay. And now I will go to module controller. Now you can see I am selecting the function call. So you don't need to do anything, you just need to select it. Okay, after you select, it will highlight it, and then you go to thread group and see the number of threads. Okay, 1. Now go to the view results tree, erase this thing. Now I will simply run it, and you can see login is called, homepage is called, page 1, page 2, page 3 is called. Now I wanted to repeat the same action for all these 3 pages. So for that I will copy and paste 2 to 3 times. Okay, one time, two, 3 times. So I'm selecting the same function. Okay, same function. Now I will go to view results tree and quickly erase it. Now I can quickly run it. Okay, now you can see the same action which we performed earlier, right, without the controller. Similar behavior we are able to recreate it using the module controller. So this is one way of accessing our reused functions or reused methods or reused samplers via module controller. And now I will simply go to test plan, right click, add thread, thread group. Okay, I will put this two calls into my other thread group. Okay, let me quickly cut and paste. Okay, I have this within my thread. So again, I will go to my thread group and I will click and I will disable it. Okay, now similar to what we have done within our thread group, right? So within our thread group, we have maintained that reused function, but now I wanted to call via thread group in a different thread. So similarly, you have to go to the module controller and now you need to see module to run. So now you can see in the test plan, there are two thread groups are showing up. One is thread group and another one is just like a container. Okay, under that container, you have this function call. Okay, you need to select it. Similarly, for the other module control, you have to do the same thing. Similarly, for third one, you have to do the same thing. Now you go to the view results tree, erase this existing reports, quickly run it, and now you will see login home page is called, page 1 is called, again page 2 is called, again before that login and home, after that login and home is called, and page 3 is called. So this is the way that you can reuse the samples by using this module controller with a simple container called simple controller. So this will help in our distributive testing. Hope you understand the session. In case if you are new to this session, do watch my earlier sessions. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions, queries, do post in my comment box. I will help you out. Thank you.